Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another dessert and this one is truffles and they're one of my favorites also. So I'll just show you how to make them because when you try to buy them outside they're very expensive and sometimes they don't even taste that good. But the recipe is very simple. It doesn't require many ingredients, so I'll just show you guys how to make it. What you'll need to make the chocolate truffles is 200 grams of chocolate, 100 milliliter of whipping cream, 10 grams of butter and cocoa powder, but we're not really measuring it because we're gonna need it later on to dust the truffles. So the first step is to take your whipping cream and pour it into a saucepan, and you're going to put it over heat until it starts to boil. So while our whipping cream heats, we're going to take our chocolate and we're going to pour it into a bowl. So after our whipping cream has boiled, we take it off the heat and we pour it over our chocolate. And we let it sit for about 2 minutes and then we mix them. So after about 2 minutes, we just start to mix it. And as you can see, the heat from the whipping cream, because we poured it when it was hot, has already melted the chocolate. So now we just mix to incorporate all of it together. So after you feel that all the chocolate has melted and incorporated with the whipping cream, we add in our butter. And we're using dark chocolate because it has a much better flavor than other chocolates in my opinion. So now we just add in our butter and we mix it until the butter melts. So after you mix everything together, you just try to scrape down the bottom and cover it with plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for an hour. Okay, so after the hour, we just take a small part and we just mold it a little bit and we just put it in our plate or tray. So they don't look perfect, but we're going to put them in the fridge to chill for another hour before we actually start to shape them perfectly. So after chilling them in the fridge again, you just try to shape them into better circles or balls, and you just dust them in cocoa powder and put them in plate. So this is what they look like, and I've tried my best to roll them into perfect balls, but I don't think that's possible, and I don't really think I've seen truffles in perfectly shaped balls and stuff. So this is what they look like. So as you can see, it's very easy and soft to bite into. It's very smooth to cut into as well, so I really like that about the truffles. This concludes today's video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe so you guys can support me to make more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.